Hi, this is Rishi from Nagpur. Will I be comfortable consulting a male gynec? I don't know how would I feel. Should I continue with the treatment? So these are the questions that a female gets every time you think about consulting a gynec. I too had the same questions in 2019 before I visited Dr. Shashikant Raghuwanshi. First time I too felt a little awkward. Things were not like I wanted. Honestly speaking, I had just come to Sir because my husband and the friend who recommended Dr. Raghuwanshi to us wanted me to consult him once. So, 2019, we started consulting Dr. Raghuwanshi. I had many issues, not one. And never was a time when Sir disappointed us with the treatment he gave us. So, there are many doctors, who had even told me that it would be difficult for you to conceive. And right in the first go or the first time I visited them, they planned for an IUI or some other different level treatments, which weren't supposed to be done at that time. But Dr. Raghuvanshi did not do that. Talking in terms of patience, he is one of the most patient doctor that I have seen. He never starts from where you start speaking. He'll always listen to you. He'll go through your past records and then tell you the line of treatment. And there are most of the doctors who do not even check your past history. So this was one of the first thing that me and my husband liked about it. Today, we have Nuom Rishi, who's our son. We are blessed with our son in 2022, and it's all because of Dr. Raghuvanshi. I mean, I couldn't imagine Nuom with me. It's just because of Sir. And now is the time when, even the smallest of the small problem, I come and discuss with Sir. Being it some personal problems, being it some issues, I mean, anything, even for my son, I would, always go with the suggestion that Sir gives us. Even his recommendations are really nice. So, I would 100%, I am, and we already trust Sir 100%, and he is more than a family to us now. And talking about ma'am, Mrs. Monica Raghuvanshi, there was a time, I mean, on the day of my delivery, the time planned was 11 a.m., but my baby was delivered in the noon. I mean, maybe 2 or 3 hours later than the time that was planned. But that's just because of ma'am. I mean, I waited for ma'am because I didn't want any other doctor to intervene. And because the comfort that ma'am gives me, the confidence that ma'am gives me, the support that ma'am gives me in the OT, that's a different level. So, I mean, I would anytime wait for ma'am if required for maybe days also, but wouldn't go with someone else if required. I mean, doesn't matter if there's an emergency or no, but yes, I would always want Monica ma'am to be on my side when I'm in the OT. And yes, the doctor is very patient, very supportive, very understanding, and the staff that he has in the hospital is too generous. They guide you on every path. They treat you like your own family. So we come to Raghuvanshi Hospital not like we are visiting a hospital, but it's a second home for us now. We are quite comfortable visiting doctor, and I would hardly and 100% recommend Dr. Raghuvanshi to every female or every males also who have issues conceiving or having a baby or any issues. Uh, I am sure you would be a little scared or nervous before visiting a male gynec, but I would say please do not hesitate. The treatment that you would get here, you won't get it anywhere because here it's more like a family and not a hospital. Thank you.